Hi everyone, my name is Laraib and I'm a student here at UWE Bristol. I'm doing the postgrad law degree here, the bar program, and I came here from Pakistan to do it. And today, the topic of our conversation is how to make friends. Because if you're anything like me, like a socially awkward slash introverted individual, making friends does not come easy to you. So, first things first, if you're in any student accommodation, in any student halls, even if you're living in a shared house with other students, I think that's a great place to start when you're trying to make friends here in your university. And also, when you go to classes and you meet other students and your peers, there I think that is also like a great place to start when you're making friends. But the best thing about UWE Bristol here is that the student life here does a small independent events. For example, they do game nights and they do these little events in the student union at UWE Bristol. So I think that is also a great place to check out. If you want to make friends and if you're looking to mingle with other people. Also, you've got the gym here and you've got the Move program, which is absolutely free, by the way. So that is also a great place to start when you're looking to make friends. When it comes to me personally, I think one of my best friends that I made here was in our student halls. She was basically coming out of her flat in Student Village and I was coming out of mine, and we clashed in the corridor, and I looked at her face and I kind of just gave like a very shocked expression because it was still early in the month and students were still moving in, so I hadn't seen like a lot of students there. And she looked at my face and she quite literally laughed out loud. And that is how we basically became friends. So I think like this, being in student halls or being in any sort of student accommodation or staying with other students is a great place to start when you're thinking about making friends. Yeah, just have fun with it and don't really like overthink about it. You're gonna get through these 4 years and you're gonna make some great friends here in university. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all here at UWE Bristol. Bye.